అందరికీ నమస్కారం. తెలుగు ప్రజలందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. Ugadi marks the beginning of a new year, a time filled with hope, renewals and new journeys. And here at MK1, this Ugadi carries a very special meaning because this year is the year when this remarkable community moves closer than ever to welcoming its residents. I am Nishita, sales consultant at MK1, and I am delighted to present this latest construction update of this iconic project rising in Visakhapatnam. Standing tall in North Vizag, MK1 has already become a striking presence on the Endada 100 feet road. Spread across a thoughtfully planned community, every structure here reflects the commitment of MK Builders and Developers to quality construction and timely delivery. The excitement around MK1 is growing stronger and stronger, with the project steadily progressing towards its planned delivery by December this year. Let us take a look at the progress that is bringing MK1 closer to becoming one of Vizag's most celebrated residential communities. We begin with the clubhouse. Interior works inside the clubhouse are currently under progress, shaping spaces that will soon host fitness activities, celebrations and everyday moments of togetherness for residents. Moving on to Block A, all structural works including the amenity slab have now been completed. Tiling works are currently progressing on the 23rd floor while corridor tile works are now underway. External painting for this block has reached approximately 80% completion, with duct areas currently in progress. With these works advancing steadily, Block A is clearly entering its finishing stages. At Block B, corridor tile works are currently underway. In addition to it, final coat putty works for the flats have commenced, an important step in the finishing process as the interiors begin to take their final form. Coming to blocks C and D, significant progress has been achieved. All tiling works across both towers have been completed. The final coat putty works have now commenced, marking the transition towards the final finishing phase of these towers. Beyond the towers, the external environment of this community is also steadily taking shape. Driveway landscaping works are currently in progress, laying the foundation for the welcoming green avenues that will connect the entire development. Construction for the water bodies is also underway, adding a serene visual character to the landscape. The temple construction is also currently underway. Work on the main entrance gate is also progressing, which will soon create a grand and welcoming arrival experience for residents and visitors. As we celebrate Ugadi and welcome a new year filled with possibilities, MK1 has entered the most exciting phase of its journey, with planned delivery scheduled for December 2026, and the vision of living at MK1 is now closer than ever. On behalf of entire MK Builders family, I wish you and your loved ones a very happy Ugadi. This is Nishita signing off. I look forward to sharing the next milestone of MK1 with you very soon. Thank you for watching this construction update. Follow MK Builders and Developers on social media for regular updates and exclusive insights into your future home.